to cure common cold and cough is something that many households still believe. Besides treating common cold and cough effectively, these home remedies are also free from any side effects. Here we have mentioned some of these home remedies that will help you treat common cold and cough.
Ginger tea. Ginger tea not only tastes good but also helps in treating common cold and cough. The tea helps in drying running and dripping nose, thus expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. Among various health benefits of ginger, it is known to soothe common cold and speeds up the recovery process. Mixture of lemon, cinnamon, and honey. Another effective home remedy for common cold and cough is a mixture of lemon, cinnamon, and honey. This syrup effectively cures cold and cough. How to make the syrup? In half spoon of honey, add a few drop of lemon and a pinch of cinnamon. Have this syrup twice a day to cure common cold and cough. Lukewarm water. Drink lukewarm water frequently as it helps in fighting against common cold, cough, and sore throat. Warm water reduces inflammation in the throat and helps in replenishing the fluids and infection out of the body. Milk and turmeric. An essential ingredient found in almost all kitchens, turmeric has a strong antioxidant which helps in treating many health problems. Turmeric mixed in warm milk is a popular and effective way to fight against cold and cough. Drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk before sleeping helps in faster recovery from cold and cough. Gargle with salt water. This is an age-old therapy that effectively treats cough and cold. Adding turmeric in this salt water is also beneficial. Spiced tea. Add tulsi, ginger, and black pepper while peppering your tea, and this spiced tea is great for your health. These three ingredients play an important role in fighting a common cold and cough. Honey, lime juice, and warm water. This is a perfect dose to improve digestion and for the circulation system. Adding honey to lukewarm water is the best solution in controlling common cold and cough. Amla. Being a strong immunomodulator, amla fights against many diseases. Eating one amla regularly provides many health benefits as it ensures the proper functioning of the liver and improves blood circulation. Ginger tulsi mixture. Extract the ginger juice and add crushed tulsi leaves to it and add honey. Consume it to get relief from a cough. Flax seeds for cold and cough. Flax seeds are another effective remedy to cure common cold and cough. You can boil flax seeds until it thickens and strain it. Add a few drops of lime juice and honey to it and consume the mixture for cold and cough relief. Ginger and salt. Cut ginger into small pieces and add salt to it. Chew these ginger pieces to fight cold, cough, and a sore throat. Sauté garlic. Sauté a few garlic cloves in ghee and consume this when warm. This can be a bitter concoction but has a great soothing impact for common cold and cough. Jaggery solution. Boil water with black pepper, cumin, and jaggery to it. Consume this solution when warm and it will give you relief from chest congestion. Carrot juice. This uncommon home remedy is great to fight common cold and cough. It may sound strange, but this interesting drink helps in relieving common cold and cough. Pineapple juice. Many might not know, but drinking pineapple juice when suffering from cold is an effective home remedy. You can have pineapple juice with honey. All you need to do is mix 1 tablespoon of honey in half a cup of warm pineapple juice. Stir it well and drink it. Vitamin C. There are some pieces of evidence that suggest that taking vitamin C before the onset of cold symptoms may shorten the duration of symptoms. It may help to boost your immune health and can provide some relief from upper respiratory tract infections. Taking vitamin C-rich food like lemon, oranges, and grapefruits are quite effective. Menthol. Menthol can also help to reduce the symptoms of the cold. It contains antibacterial and pain-relieving effects. You can also method in steam and inhale it. Few precautionary measures. There are a few things that you need to take care of when suffering from cold. Having some specific food can aggravate the situation and worsen the symptoms. Avoid dairy products. Stay clear of caffeine. Do not eat spicy, processed and fried foods. Increase your fluid intake. Inhale steam. Take rest.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.